I'll be like, so, Super Cat, what do you have to say to your fans?
You're a great friend. For me to poop on?
Oh, come on, that's just mean.
Can I have your autograph?
Please. May I sniff your butt?
Ah!
Okay, man, Super Cat. Sign that guy's paper. Sign that guy's paper.
Please, I just want an autograph.
Okay, go give him the paper, dude.
Okay. May I have your autograph?
I've got news for you. You suck!
Yes, sir!
You suck. What are you, a homo cat? You like do stuff for do things for free or something? You don't do things for free?
I kid.
Okay, so you're kidding. You're kidding, you little fag. Suck.
I like you. But then again, I eat my own crap.
Super Cat,
Oh
what
my
do you
God.
do during the day?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh,
You pervert. I hate you.
yes.
Messed up cat.
Yeah, you're a freaking homo. You're a freaking homo.
May I sniff your
That's
butt?
right. That's
No, you
right.
can't. No, you can't sniff her butt, man. You suck,
You're
cat.
gay. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going?
Retard.
And that's the end.
You. But then again, I eat my own crap.
You already said that. Oh my God. Stupid cat.